What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I like going through a lot of my random investments that I do have. Now, this is not necessarily a random investment. I made this move based off of a lot of information, a lot of factors, and I really do like Kryll coin, but I haven't made a video about Kryll coin on my main channel in a while because there's been, kind of a lack of views in a lot of the extra videos that you would do. So if you make a video on, let's say, farm or Kryll or avalanche or something like that, you're not really seeing as many people that are interested in anything outside of the most popular positions or the big movers within the market. So honestly, it's more of like a strategical or business move in a way. But I do want to talk about Kryll because I didn't let go of the position. I didn't drop the position or sell it. I still hold it and I still have firm belief within that position. Now, what do I like about this position? I'll go into it in this video. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you do, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I'll also upload this video on Rumble. So if you guys want to go over there and subscribe or follow on Rumble, feel free to follow me on that platform. It does help out with growth and being able to have, kind of a backup plan in a way. I'm not saying that this will go away. It's just always having that extra place to where you guys can see me. And if you like that platform better, then feel free to go to that platform. But let's talk about Kryll coin in this video. Now, I purchased Kryll coin, I don't know at this point. It has to be like 2 years ago. It was one of the positions that I truly did believe in at a low market cap, and shows so much upside from where it has been and where it can go. It's a position that has held on, obviously through this bear market and has experienced a very big drop compared to where it has been and the launch on Coinbase and the different platforms that it is available on. But it doesn't stop, right? Even within that bear market, we saw a launch on crypto.com and you were able to buy it on crypto.com, trade on crypto.com versus what you had before, which is you still had Coinbase and you had various other platforms that it's available on. So it's not going anywhere, right? It's still there. I still hold it. I still believe in it. And it's going to have, in my opinion, a massive move just based on the basis of getting back to normal, if not going to a way higher market cap with the official bull run. So if we look at Kryll coin on CoinMarketCap, it shows that it's at 23.5 cents. It is at a $9 million market cap. Today it is down by 2.8%. We did actually see a rise today, but all of a sudden things started to fall off and we saw, Bitcoin kind of recover, Ethereum kind of recover as well. We see Solana that's absolutely exploding. If you haven't checked out that video on my main channel, feel free to go and check that out. But we see all these things that are kind of making some moves and then, it just kind of falls off. So Kryll coin was all the way up to 25 cents. And then as such, since went back down to about 24 cents, and then actually surpassed that level of break even for the day, to 23 cents, 23.6 cents, as you see right now. No, 23.5 technically. If we look at the volume, we've seen 112 percent increase in the volume today at 791,000, which honestly is more than what we've seen in the past. We've seen some volume that has been very, very low for Kryll coin, but we've also seen some in like more bullish times in the market. Even at the beginning stages of like the bear market, you saw a lot of volume that was flowing through this in the form of multiple millions of dollars because it is on very popular platforms. So it's not going anywhere. We can see that the volume to market cap ratio is about 10% at the moment because it is $9 million of a market cap versus the basically $1 million worth of, $1 million worth of volume that's there. The overall supply, 38.9 million total coins, 77.8%. You also see the total supply at 50 million coins. So just looking at the supply side, you understand that this has a lower supply than what you typically see. A lot of the positions that you look out there are like 1 billion coins or 10 billion or 20 billion or 1 trillion coins. And it's like this absolutely has a level of coins that are respectable, right? Where you look at compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum and others that are out there where it's millions of coins and less than 100 million coins. So we know that this has that upside potential to it, but also it also has the growth, which we have seen in the past. If we look at the chart in the last 7 days, it is up about 7.6%. You saw it increase up to a level of 26 cents before decreasing down to this level of 23 cents where it currently is, an increase and then a retracement. That's typically what you see in a position if it's going to move very, very fast. If we look at the last month, it's up about 10% over the last month. We saw it at a low of about 20 cents or so. Even looking to surpass that level, looks like it really wanted to bounce off of 20 cents, didn't really break through. If we look at the last year, we saw how this has climbed down. It went from a level of 39 cents all the way down here to this low level of about 20 cents. Seeing that it was a 34% decrease in the position. And if we look at all history, we can see what this has done. Now, this was in November. It seems like everything really has that same trend. In November, we saw everything really start to collapse. It fell down. Kryll was no exception. It fell down all the way down to this level of about 60 something cents, but then did increase up to about $1.80. And we saw that movement and we were hype around that movement. I saw it, get up to a high point. I think I had like 5,000 at the time and it was worth a lot of money. And now I have about 10,000. So obviously if it got to that point, it would be worth at $1.80 or whatever, $1.50, $1.60, $1.70, it would be worth basically $15,000, or, maybe even a little bit more than that, depending on what price it actually got to. So we see the strength that it did have, and it pushed up because of the listing on Coinbase. So it got listed here, we saw it push up, and then all of a sudden things really started to fall back. It went up to a value, I believe, of like $4 or $5. If we look at the highest point, the highest price was 2 years ago on November 6th, 2021, which was that time. And then you see it at $4.76. This I'm super bullish on. I've talked about it plenty of times and why I believe in it. I currently have 10,000 Kryll at a value of 45 cents. So not too far away from where the break-even point is, and we're just waiting for this overall bull market to happen. We're waiting for the pickup of altcoins rather than just the Bitcoin and Ethereum and some others. But once we see that, that we're going to see this thing push. It's 18% of this portfolio and will be worth a lot more as time goes on. So let me know what you think about it, right? I think the only thing that I'm really focused on is the fact that I want to see, the volume pick up, because the volume is up again 141%. I also want to see the amount of hold time pick up as well for people that are holding it for a longer period of time. But it just got launched. It just got introduced on Coinbase when everything started to collapse. So it's definitely something that I think about all the time, and I'm like, what this can be and what this will be. So that's why I still hold on to the position. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. If you want to know what it does, I have plenty of videos on Kryll on my main channel. But if you want me to go over like kind of what it does and why I'm so bullish on it, then feel free to let me know and I can do another video on Kryll token. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, follow me on Rumble, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.